Did you get it?
Yeah.
See what's left of it. Those things did go off, did you hear them?
I guess.
What happened?
I don't know. See if the lid popped off over there.
Something happened. Was it the can that was flying in the air? Dude, look.
Well, let's see. Holy crap, it blew off it. I'm gonna do a lot more than that.
What happened?
You blew the tape right off of it. Yeah, you gotta do more ladder, like around that. Get it? Run! Fast. Boom.
Sounded pretty cool.
Dang.
Go.
I think you have to do it before you chew on it.
Wait. Shine a light.
Before you chew on it.
Shine. Where's that flashlight? Oh, here.
Dude, don't drink all of it. Did it work?
Move my nose a little bit.
Here. You see how this works? Put your thumb in there.
No good, man.
So you're supposed to eat them, then swallow it. Nothing.
I think you got mail, dude.
Here. Lock it up here. No. Put that side in there. Okay, and then open it up and put it all in there. You ready?
Hold on.
It's not gonna go up.
Yeah.
Holy crap! How many did you get in there?
All of them?
Yes. Cool.
There's no Coke
Did you
left.
get it?
Yeah.
There's no Coke left? There's some in the bottom.
There's like this much Coke left.
That's cool. That was awesome.
That was worth $2.
Ready, go.
Go.
This is bomb experiment number 2. Huh? Maybe we won't blow up each other.
I'm getting back here. They both went off.
That wasn't too bad.
Oh shit, grass is on fire. Yeah, that. Yeah.
There's just like a mushroom cloud.
Yeah, my friends did that in the summer, and they caught their entire bread on fire.
Well,
And they
Luckily-
burned down their own barn.
luckily the ground below us is like soaking wet.
Look at that. It's still smoking, Rusty.
You know the embers, huh? It blew the can right open.
See, you needed gasoline. I want that big old like fire.
Fireball,
mushroom.
yeah.
Yeah.
This can blow up, man.
Dang, dude. You ripped the can right open. Finally got it to do it, though.
Maybe
Dude, look at this.
Shrapnel to it next time.
It's just, the Duke is melting off of it.
Got any old ammo boxes? Full of ammo?
Well, Russ used to have an ammo box, so still does.
We're not blowing it up.
We're all the intelligent ones sitting right here. Get behind here, Drew. Shit, where'd it go? How much was
Some
left?
smoke, man.
4 Azle citizens were killed while playing with fireworks.
I don't know if that's gonna fall over or not, so I'm getting over here.
Rusty, you don't be a kid, man. Come on.
Yes.
Are we? You're kidding me. Hey, do it back behind here. Do it back behind
Or,
For when the shards of metal.
Oh shit.
Drew, get back.
Way back. Where'd it go? Did you get it?
Yeah.
No, you only got part of the barn.
Yeah, well, I did get moved back, but that was awesome.
Let's do 2 of them side by side.
Yeah. It's like go boom right now.
So what games y'all been playing,
Nothing yet.
Got it!